So this here is a yarn ball winder, and out of the box you just need to attach this little cylinder to the top. This is a twist on like that. Then you're going to put your yarn on here to start winding it into a ball, thread it through this metal piece. Of course you want to attach this to a desk first so that you can very easily keep it stable and that kind of thing. But yeah, then you just start winding it using this lever here, and it winds all of your yarn into a nice little ball that you can use for all of your yarn crocheting or knitting creations. Makes the process a lot easier than using it by hand, a lot faster than doing it by hand also. My daughter loves these kinds of things. She crochets all the time, and so she's constantly dragging this thing out, putting it on a table. It's very easy to carry around. It's very portable. It's very small, not very big at all, so that you can very easily store it or take it out when you need to. But yeah, it's a great way to keep your yarn nice and organized. Every once in a while, you might run into a snag, and you just simply back up the winder a little bit, get that knot out or whatever it does, and then start again. And then you end up with a nice little cone that you can use for crocheting or whatever, and it just keeps your yarn so much more tidy. My daughter loves these things. She definitely recommends them. Good deal.
Makes a pretty little cake.
Yep.